In October 2025, history takes a spotlight as experts gather in China for the Liangzhu Forum, an event that unearths the mysteries of a civilization over 5,000 years old. The Liangzhu Forum brings together leading archaeologists, historians, and cultural enthusiasts. It highlights the ancient Liangzhu civilization, renowned for its exquisite jade artifacts and pioneering water management systems. Marlon Samuels has more in the support of this highly advanced society dating back more than 5 millennia.
This October, the world's focus was on China's Liangzhu Forum, where archaeologists, historians, and cultural enthusiasts have gathered to explore one of the most fascinating ancient sites on Earth. The Liangzhu ruins reveal a society renowned for its exquisite jade craftsmanship and groundbreaking water management systems, innovations that changed the course of human civilization. The ruins offer profound insights into early urban development and societal sophistication.
Liangzhu ruins very important because we know that Liangzhu offers unique evidence for 5,000 years history of Chinese civilization. And we know that Liangzhu in 5,000 years ago was an early state level society with a huge Liangzhu ancient city and water conservation system. And also we know that Liangzhu gets the unified belief system symbolized by the jade, such as the jade cong, jade yue, and jade bi. And also they had advanced rice agriculture. So we know that Liangzhu was fundamentally reshaped our understanding of the origins of Chinese civilization.
What makes Liangzhu extraordinary is its sophisticated water management system, an ancient flood control network that ensured safe settlement and agriculture. This innovation not only protected their society, but laid the groundwork for modern water infrastructure across China.
Water conservation system played an important role in flood prevention, transportation, and water level control irrigation. And it's also earliest water conservation system in China, and it's also one of the earliest in the world. And also we can see that it's very important for us because we can know how the Liangzhu people to build the dam, to build the water conservation system. And it's also gave us a good lesson to the modern urban rice management.
The forum isn't just about uncovering ancient innovations. It's about discovering how these innovations shape our present and the future. As the world explores these treasures, the Liangzhu Forum stands as a powerful reminder of China's rich cultural heritage and its lasting influence on global civilization. Reporting from the Liangzhu Forum in Hangzhou, China,